Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, the G to O, the G to the O. Let's go. OG in the house, guys. We're going to be talking about we freaking win out there. What is that all about? What are we winning? Well, we're going to be diving into that. We've got some good Binance CZ news. That's always good. We got some interesting Dogecoin news and Elon Musk news as well. That could affect the price of Dogecoin, could affect the price of you out there. And we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and what's going on with Bitcoin. Some people are worried, but I'm going to show you that we are about to freaking win. We are about to freaking explode out there, guys. Go down there, smash a freaking like, show some love for the OG. I appreciate it. Show some love, guys, and share these videos, guys. Share these videos. Right now, I'm only doing one video a day. It's the high season here in Asia for my hotel. So I'm kind of like busy. Our occupancy is super high. So guys, bear with me. I'm going to see if I can pump out another video today as well. Let's see if I can do that. Guys, do go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it, and I would appreciate all the love, appreciate all the support that I'm getting from the community. Much love out there, guys. So what's going on with crypto markets right now? Don't forget, we got this is a long weekend here in the U.S. And it's I think it's the 19th or some kind of weird holiday. We don't have here in Asia. So we are seeing that right now that Bitcoin, sometimes I like to call it BITCH coin, but we're seeing that Bitcoin is slightly down. We're seeing Ethereum is slightly down. Remember, the volumes are going to be pretty freaking light right now, and that is because of the fact that it is a long weekend, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with overall crypto market cap out there. Guys, if you love this channel, like I love you guys, don't forget, this is financial advice. I would appreciate it if you would go and type Dogecoin 111. That just goes to show that you love the community out there, and you love Dogecoin, and you love the OG. You love the OG now, guys. If you guys love the OG like I love you guys, don't forget to show some freaking love out there, guys. We need love. Everybody needs love. Cats, dogs, amoebas, everybody needs love. So we are seeing that the Bitcoin dollar is at 48.1. We're seeing Ethereum dollars is slowly creeping up. That's pretty good, but we need to see the Bitcoin dominance. We need to get to see it to, 52, 55 area. And typically when we have bull run, we see that kind of percentiles, guys. Pepe is still trending. BNB is also trending as well, but we're seeing everything's slightly down. But Bitcoin is showing a little bit, some signs of recovery. Not amazing signs of recovery, but some signs of recovery. We're seeing that Ethereum is neutral. I think that we're probably going to flip green probably later in the afternoon when Asia wakes up out there. We're seeing BNB is down. XRP is up 1.64%. This has to do with the Hyman documents, and we're seeing that we're getting closer and closer to the SEC. The SEC and XRP finally coming to a decision out there. We're seeing Doge is slightly up as well. We're going to be talking about Elon Musk, Dogecoin, the court case, what's going on with that. And, we got to scroll way down. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu is now above 17,071 out there. So that's not too bad. It's up 3.6%, and that has to do with this whole Shiba Inu announcement out there. So I think what's going to happen, you're going to see more people aping back into Shiba Inu once they realize that, Pepe. Big announcements coming up. We still got about 5 weeks and 3 days before the next Fed. Rate hikes, anticipation about 25 basis points. In terms of fear and greed, guys, let's mentally refresh that. Remember, this is a contrarian indicator I've told you about many times. We're kind of oscillating between like 46 and 50. That's where we are. We're kind of like smack bang in the center. I still think this is a good time to accumulate. This is a good time to accumulate dollar cost average. And remember, every freaking Thursday is my DCA day. Now, guys, keep in mind that Wednesdays, not financial advice, but I don't recommend doing anything on Wednesday because Wednesdays are what I call the witching day. And typically market makers use Wednesday as a liquidity pool. So what they're going to do is they're going to have Hunter Wicks, the upside downside, and they will take as much liquidity out. So watch out for Wednesdays. I tend not to do much in terms of Wednesday. Big announcements that's coming. Economic data that's coming this week or announcements. We got Juneteenth. There it is. We got Juneteenth. Juneteenth holiday. It's a crazy holiday. I never heard of that before. Housing starts. We got building permits, jobless claims on Thursday, existing home sales, service PMI, manufacturing PMI coming out on Friday. Not too big. Nothing too big coming out. The next big thing is going to be the FOMC. And before that, we're going to have CPI data around about July 13th, something like that. Something around there. Don't forget, Congress and the government is going to be on holiday. We got July 4th, a long weekend coming. So things should slow down. Okay, so DXY trending up, not good, but It's a weekend. Who cares? We're seeing BTC right now. BTC is just above the 200 weekly moving average. That is good. That is good. But if we turn on the EMA ribbons for Bitcoin, you can see that we're well below all of these EMA ribbons. That's not good. We need to confirm that things are looking more bullish. We definitely need to see Bitcoin go above the EMA ribbons, and it's not doing that now. So there could be some downside, but you can see here this whole area here, 26,600, as I mentioned in previous videos, is a major freaking area of resistance right now. And we need to get past that, because if we don't get past that, we're going to get rejected. We're going to go below the 200 weekly moving average. That is not good. That if we go below the 200 weekly moving average on the daily for Bitcoin, that's not going to be good. That's going to send Bitcoin back down to 25 to 24,000 area. We don't want to see that. I don't want to see that. Ethereum, pretty much the same thing. Ethereum it's about to hit this area of confluence. We got this descending triangle here. If we do break out, that's going to be very positive. That should allow us to reclaim the $1,800 area. If not, then we're definitely going to be going down below 1,600, and that could take us down to 1,500 level. News-wise, what's coming out? It looks like Balaji, this is the guy that was the former Coinbase CFO. He warns that Microsoft or Google could help governments seize crypto assets from citizens. So this is all about, according the former chief technology officer of Coinbase is warning that some of the most prominent tech companies in the world could one day betray everybody. Okay. In an interview on the Impact Theory broadcast, Balaji, I call him Balaji, says that the G7 nations decide that digital asset seizure is allowed, then tech giants such as Apple, Microsoft, and these people, the Alphabet, could lend them a hand. Sure, they would have to, because they would get court order. They had no choice, right? According to Balaji, Volca, remember, he's a Bitcoin maxi, Bitcoin bull. Countries may decide to seize digital assets in the future in an attempt to recover from economic turmoil. He says, tech giants could easily scan your devices and find and hand over private keys. That is why you guys need to get a freaking hardware wallet, guys. You definitely need to do that. So, it could happen. It could happen. This is a risk factor. More risk factors. Good news, Binance Bitcoin balance on exchanges plunges. That is good. Some of that has to do with the recent SEC filings and the turmoil there. But more of it is people are just taking it off exchanges, hodling, waiting for life-changing wealth. So that is freaking good news. I think it's positive. Some people like to spin it as being negative. I think it's positive. So, guys, we freaking win. We have freaking win again. So Binance CEO CEZZ in the house. He's saying that, he's happy. It looks like the whole thing with the SEC and Binance, CZ, has been, it's been done. It's done. So this article goes on to say Binance CEO CZ has expressed his happiness. Me too. Happiness and relief as a prolonged dispute with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission was successfully resolved. Yeah. And the SEC's ongoing scrutiny has created tense and uncertain period for the company, making the resolution a welcome development. So it seems that Binance is back on track out there. And CZ did come out and post. He did tweet. Although we maintain the SEC's request for emergency relief was entirely unwarranted. We are pleased that the disagreement over the request was resolved and with mutually acceptable terms. User funds have been and always safe and secure, and everything is no problem with Binance, guys. A little bit of a scary moment, a little bit of turbulent moment. Good news, though. The good news is, looks like Representative Warren Davison has introduced the SEC Stabilization Act, and one of the main clauses, one of the main things in this act is that who Gary Debbie Downer Gary asshat, he gets terminated out there. Terminated. So that'll be good. I think we'll see that coming sooner than later. Definitely by the next administration change. Hopefully there's an administration change for the better out there. We will see Gary gone. So this is from Will Clemente, and he's talking about the GLD, and this is the gold ETF that was launched by BlackRock before. And it kind of just shows that, if and when BlackRock's, who has 99% ETF approval, Bitcoin launches a very similar structure to GLD, which is gold, right? Expect similar price action as it unlocks access to Bitcoin exposure for the masses. So this is when the GLD, this is like a gold ETF that launched here back in 2006. And when that happened, we had this huge parabolic rise. So William Clemente is postulating, speculating that, and remember, it's opinion only, that if that happens, we could see a pretty similar sizable run. And I'm convinced that, we've been waiting for almost 2.5 years for an ETF. And if this happens, it's going to allow more liquidity to flow into the market. And that is going to be good, because more liquidity means more market cap. More market cap means more price increase. And not only that, it will have like a billboard effect, meaning that the people are going to be looking at Bitcoin ETF. And then what's going to happen is we're going to see more ETFs happening for maybe other cryptocurrencies like altcoins, Ethereum, and something like that. So that could bring more liquidity into the market. So that's good. So this is from Bitcoin Census. And what they're talking about, Bitcoin is facing major resistance at the value area low for March. Okay. So this area that they're talking about is around about here. Let me just get my face out of the way. It's around about this 26.6. So this is an area we need to get past. So this 26.6 area, it's pretty important that the itty bitty baby, we need to get back that. We need to get past that. If we continue to just kind of go sideways and we keep hitting our head against this and keep getting rejected, we will go down. So it's important to keep an eye on that, important to keep a watch on that. We definitely need to get past that. That's what I'm saying. But this, Seth, this is from Seth. Since Bitcoin hit 30K, and did hit 30K, right, guys? I told you, this is Seth, said that it would retest 25K. It did do that and bounce. So a more aggressive shorts than longs, BTC will wreck these shorts. Don't trade with the herd, guys. So if you're short in Bitcoin right now, don't do it. It's bad. You will get wrecked, because overall, we're seeing that the trend is up. Trend is up. Good news. Looks like breaking news. New research finds Bitcoin mining is the most sustainable sector of the economy. Percentage of sustainable energy, Bitcoin is 52.6%, banking 39.2%, industry 32%, agriculture 19%, gold to 12.8%, iron and steel 9.8%, and zinc 1%. So in terms of Bitcoin mining, it's the most, it has the highest percentage of sustainable, renewable energy out there. So remember, I think it was like a year and a half ago, Elon Musk, when he was at Bitcoin conference, he said, look, if they can prove that Bitcoin is using renewable, sustainable energy, he would allow Bitcoin payments for Tesla. So Elon Musk, brother, if you're watching this video, keep your word. Keep your word. Your word is gold. A promise is a promise. Be a man. Be a man. Be a freaking man, and live up to your words, guys. So here we go. Rec Capital looks like BTC has rallied, and indeed straight into 26.6 area here. This level acted as multi-week support not long ago. So this was support. Remember, it was support here. We have trended down. So, but now potentially BTC may be turning this level into a new resistance. So let's hope not. Weekly close below 26.6 would increase the odds of rejection. So like I said, 26.6 is the area where the bulls and the bears are fighting it out, duking it out in crypto land, and we definitely need to see. We need to stay above that. But we're almost there. We're almost there. We keep getting rejected. Keep getting rejected. I'm feeling rejected. I'm feeling lonely. Where's my love out there? 26,600 is the love zone out there, and we need to get above the love zone, and that's 26.6. If we can't do that, we're going to get rejected. Breakup time. But even though in the short term, we may see some downside, but you need to wait for life-changing, or some people want to say wife-changing wealth out there. You got to be patient. Got to be freaking patient, guys. Don't trade with emotions. Don't be insane. Don't be crazy. Embrace hope, believe, achieve. Yes. Weekly above the EMA 200. And we've seen this in 2020, 2016. These kind of fractals, 1, 2, 1, 2, bang, boom, to the moon, pow. And we're seeing something else. We're seeing something similar happening. It's a matter of time, guys. A matter of freaking time. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin. Me too. It's the future. Whether it goes up only forms a massive double bottom or goes sideways from here. I bet on the long-term growth, expect price to trade much higher. Well, look, up only, double bottom, sideways. It's going up, boys and girls. Guys, like I said, Bitcoin is on track. Usually after a super trend indicator flashes a buy signal above 50, it's all good. It's all freaking good. So, guys, we're going to be going up. I believe it in my bones. in my bones. I've been doing crypto a long time. This is just a cycle. It's going up. We're seeing the percentage of Bitcoin on Binance is going up. That's good. Lovely, jubbly out there. Guys, I tell you, get a hardware wallet. Do it. Secure crypto. You don't own the keys, you own crypto. Guys, don't forget to be part of the freaking conversation. I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. What's going on? Elon Musk loves the Doge. I love the Doge. Doge to $1, Bitcoin to 100K, Ethereum to 20K. You guess it. You tell me. Comment. What's coming first? What is coming first out there? What's going on with Doge Warrior? Wow. Doge Warrior is going sideways. The pressure's curling up. This bad boy, our Doge, your Doge, Dogecoin 1 is going to, it's either going to break down, go to 5, or it's going to retest the 7 level. I'm more positive. I'm a moon boy. Call me a moon boy. We're retesting 7. I'll believe it. I believe it. We're up slightly, 0.39%. Nothing too fantastic, right? Home volumes, however, are up 41%. Not too bad considering it's a cold, warm, long weekend here in Asia. We're seeing market cap is unfettered. Doge is still in the 8th spot. I love it. You love it too. We all love it. We all love it, guys. Some news about Elon Musk denies mystery Doge catch amid lawsuit. So this whole lawsuit going back and forth. Yeah, I remember the snowflake that wanted to sue Elon Musk because it's a Ponzi scheme, pump and dump. Baloney. It ain't happening. So it ain't happening. So this is just, this guy here. Oh, what does this? I can't even say his name. He's just writing some fluff pieces just to get some attention. Basically, Elon Musk did not pump a dump. The court will decide. The court will rule in his favor. And the knucklehead that filed the court case, he's going to be out of there. He's going to be out of there. Absolutely. Shiba burns plunge 70 million. So I don't know what's going on with Shiba. Shiba's just kind of like doing his thing. But it seems to be broken out of this descending triangle here. This is a good sign here on the daily. Maybe we can recover the 0,900 level. I hope so. I hope so. Let's get it out there. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. So that's going to bring this video to a close, guys. I love you guys. Don't forget to check out the Worchy. Guys, you can check out all the links below as well. Be blessed. Be well. Have a freaking good day. And guys, don't forget to go follow me on Twitter, guys. Follow. You guys did not follow me. And did you smash the likes? Did you? I hope you did. Smash the likes. I love it. You love it. Peace out.